Before starting with Laravel, let's understand about MVC because Laravel uses MVC pattern. MVC stands for Model, View, and Controller. It's a software design pattern that separates an application into three clear responsibilities so your code stays clean, organized, and maintainable. The model represents database table and manages the application's data and business logic. The view displays the data to the user in the form of HTML, and the controller handles user requests, coordinates between the model and the view. Now, let's see how a MVC works. So, we have a user, he makes a request, the request goes to the controller, and from the controller, it goes to the model to fetch or store the data. Once we fetch or store the data, then we return back to the controller, get the view, and pass the view back to the user as a response. This is the normal VMC flow. Now let's see the most common flow of Laravel. So we have a user, he makes a request. The request goes first to the route, then from the route it goes to the controller, and from the controller, and there we decide to fetch data from the model or store data in the model. After that, we move back to the controller, get the view, and pass the view back to the user as a response. There are other flows also that Laravel follows. For example, when a user makes a request, the request goes to the route, and directly from the route it returns the view. So no need to go to controller and model. Maybe it's a static page, there is nothing in the database to show, and there you can also create an application like this. For example, the user make a request, the request goes to route, and from the route to the controller, then directly from the controller get the view without the data and pass it back to the user as a response.